Pirada mga guys, natakaroon sa Mantinilan double down, Mantinilan Bohol. Welcome to the race. Karon atong tanawon unsa ang bike sa mga buang. Let's go. Brody! Nice bike.
Wa ko nilang kasi jack-jack.
Unsa imong pangano kang imong team affiliation?
Punpun Oy, Team Dart BUCRC.
Unsa man ang dart?
Pindis Asawa Racing Team.
And you got a beautiful bike right here. Unsa man imong bike?
Just like my beautiful wife.
So what do you do for a living?
Kuan lang ko diri kanang race lang.
Wow.
Pabuhi sa asawa.
Living the
Shout
life.
out ni Mrs.
Living the life, Brody. Nice. Thank you, thank you. Wow, beautiful bike, sir. Unsa man imong pangalan, sir?
Bahi lah bahi.
Unsa man imong team?
Art og titiyo.
Unya, what do you do for a living? Ano lami kay ka og hardtail?
Bike lang.
Wow, lami as a life. Me as a life.
It's so good.
Good morning, all. Good morning, Mike.
Mike.
What's your name and your team affiliation, Mike?
Today, Mike Juanico from Team Drag and BU, Mike. Today we about to partake the event for Mantinilan Double Down.
So what have we got here, Mike?
We got here Giant Rain,
Alright, such a beautiful bike, Mike.
number 5, and 160 rear, 170 front.
Beautiful, Mike. Now the question, Mike, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
Software engineer.
Wow. Praise to be a software engineer, my Mike. Noise boy.
Thank you, Mike.
Good luck, Mike.
Thanks, Mike.
Good morning.
Morning.
Unsa itong pangalan og team affiliation, sir?
John from Duro Brothers.
Durbars, unsa man atong rig are? Sulti ko unsa man imong bike?
Communical Clash.
Alright, 7.5. Alright, lami kay kag bike. So the question, what do you do for a living? Ano lami kay kag bike?
Laborer.
Laborer. Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Unsa imong ngalan, sir?
Elebels.
From what team?
Low Anas.
Alright, and unsa man imong gisakyan karon?
Mountain bike.
Unsa man imong brand? Unsa man, tell me more about your bike, sir.
Cottage bike.
Alright, beautiful bike, such a beautiful bike. So the question, what do you do for a living, my friend?
I'm a garbage collector.
Wow! Apir! Good luck the race, mate! Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss. I have to stop you right here. Excuse me, miss. Unsa man imong ngalan, miss? Unsa man imong ngalan?
Jervel.
Jervel, oh, from Taga-Asa na nun. Leyte. From what team?
CG Cycle.
CG Cycle, shout out. So, unsa man atong bike karon, ma'am?
Kanang
I capture mo eh.
Anvil.
Wow, we have a Taugas Rock Anvil. And the question is, Manang, what do you do for a living? Ano lami kay kag bike?
Tingbalig yung kaldero.
Wow! Mamaligyan kaldero!
Inuwaman.
Good luck sa race, Manang!
Salamat.
Sayo sa glakaw diya, guys. Unsa, good morning. Unsa man imong ngalan, sir?
Musta na?
JA. Unsa ang atong team? Unsa yung team
Team
affiliation?
BU, Team Vipers, Team The Uncles. Shout out.
Ay, kadaghan. BEO, Vipers,
The Uncles.
Anglos. And unsa man atong bike karon? So inaan na to ron.
Canyon Spectral.
Canyon Spectral. And the question, what do you do for a living to have such a nice bike?
Wala lang, standby.
Stand by. Let's go!
Sponsor lang.
Sponsored
Good morning, BU Jersey by Alj Designs.
Alj Designs. Shout out Alj Designs. Yes sir, looking fresh. Ngalan sa imong
Tony.
Tony. Tony. Unsa man imong team affiliation, sir?
Kuhaan ko kanang Team Sigma.
Sa likoy namin nimo ha.
Luanas.
Team Luanas. Unsa man atong bike?
Kuha na siya. Kaluhan na siya dito. Isa.
Kaluha. So we have another commensal clash. So the question is, ang gatong usa diato nga parang bike nimo, laborer. Ikaw, what do you do for a living?
Pintor.
Pintor. Tara diyan. Hello sir, good morning sir.
Good morning.
Oy, unsa ang atong pangalan, team affiliation?
Jerivel.
Ay, manana siya sir, na-interview na si ma'am ganiha, maligya na siya kaldero.
Ako si Kuan, si Julio.
Julio.
Julius.
And unsa atong team affiliation?
DB.
Duro Brothers.
Duro Brothers.
Unsa man atong bike there sir? Norco. Alright, and then sa kanindot sa imong bike sir, what do you do for a living?
Tigsunod sa akong asawa.
Tigsunod sa asawa. Alright, duhanan ni sila ha. Ang usa pabuhi sa asawa. Ang usa tigsunod sa asawa. Yes sir, thank you for your time. Good luck dol. Good luck. Oy, kulot, basi nagtuo kag makaikyas ka. Unsa ato ang pangalan ng team affiliation, sir?
Reggie Andasuda.
Reggie Andasuda from unsa nga team?
Team Sigma TTU.
Team Sigma TTO. Alright, unsa atong bike karon?
Transition Patrol.
Okay, daghan na sila TP karon and the question is, what do you do for a living? Ano lamay kay kag bike?
Kuan lang. Murag manulis asawa.
Manulis sa asawa, daghan na mo. Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Unsa man nato ang panganog team affiliation, sir?
Isiloana.
Easy Cruzal Luanas. Unsa man atong bike, sir? Ato na ni blur. So, unsa man nato ang bike, sir? Unsa man gisakyan nato ron?
DMR sled, sir.
DMR sled. So the question, sa kalamay sa imong bike, sir, what do you do for a living?
I'm a busy guy.
Ay, busy guy. Ayay. Kung napot tayo busy guy, napot tayo kuha na rin. Jack of all trades. Sir, pangalan, sir?
Rodel
Rodel.
from Team Luanas.
Luanas. Unsa atong bike, sir?
Hardtail na to, sir.
Oh, unsa nga hardtail, sir?
Dartmoor Hornet.
Dartmoor Hornet. Alright. And the question, what do you do for a living, sir?
Jack of all trades. Pilot, doctor,
Pilot, doktor, astronaut,
mercenary.
astronaut. Alright, Johnny Sins ang tirada, idol. Guys, na kuan sa atong pananaw ang usa sa mga pinakagwapo og bike dire. Okay, sir, unsa ato ang pangalan? Ay, kamera siya ini. Unsa atong pangalan, sir?
Luwek, sir.
Unsa ang ato ang team?
Manusway Brothers.
Manutgo ay brothers. Okay, unsa man itong gisakyan karon, sir?
Baon, sa ni? Wako kasabot. Bike ba niyo?
Wala siya kasabot. Kuan man sir ni, specialized enduro lang ang baon mga sir. So sa kanindot sa imong bike, sir, what do you do for a living?
Wanra, kanang mga buhayag tayo, mga buhayag tayo.
Mga buhay og tae. Nice.
Salamat ka sa sponsor nga naglugi karon.
Alright. Dol, good morning, Dol.
Good morning, idol.
Unsay ngalan, Dol?
Arvin Ligores,
Unsay team na to, Dol?
Team BMBU.
Alright, unsa atong bike ron?
Whitey Capra.
YT Capra. Okay, gwapa kay bike. What do you do for a living?
Bike lang.
Sir, good morning, sir. Unsa man imong pangalan, sir?
Banjigob, sir.
Anjigo, unsa imong team?
Trail Seekers Bike Shop.
Trail Seekers Bike Shop. Unsa imong bike karon, sir?
Dartmoor Thunderbird.
Dartmoor Thunderbird. Gwapo kay bike. So unsa man imong kon, sir? What do you do for a living?
Idol.
Idol, unsa man imong kwan, Dol?
Naman dol.
Sa imong trabaho, Dol? Ngano lami kay kag bike, Dol?
Kuha na dol, bike mechanic dol.
Ayay, magmekaniko na ta. Lamat, Dol. Good luck race, Dol. Right, good morning. The man that needs no introduction pero sa mga bago sa cycling community o sa mga nagpuyo ilawom sa bato. Unsa imong pangalan, sir?
Hi, I'm JR Barba.
JR Barba, unsa ato ang team affiliation, sir?
Team of
Team Pilipinas?
Team Dartmoor.
Team Dartmoor. Alright, unsa atong bike karon, sir?
Thunderbird.
Okay, the question, sir. Sa kagwapa sa imong bike, sir, what do you do for a living?
Biking.
Ay,